So, so you've downloaded the app as well, have you?
Yeah, I've got the app, definitely.
Okay,
Yeah.
brilliant. Want to exchange? You can also exchange it, for other cryptocurrencies, or you can exchange it for Bitcoin. You can do, or you can keep it in its current form, or you can cash it out as fiat currency.
So is it a case of just checking and knowing which one is better to have, or is it just a case of buying different cryptocurrencies?
Yes, it's a bit like stocks and shares. You really don't know, how good a company is going to be. And you just take that, calculated risk to invest in a particular company. In the same context, you invest in a crypto coin, so you will buy it and hold it in your eWallet with the idea of it appreciating value over time, like gold, So, so it's like that. So it can be beneficial when you're buying at a low price and it goes up, so it peaked to crypto markets just taking a correction right now. Some people calling it a crash, it's actually a correction. And I reckon that we will see $20,000 on Bitcoin probably now by the end of next week, I reckon. But it's definitely going to be a very volatile period for cryptocurrency. So there are other ways that you can buy Bitcoin without going through an exchange.
Yeah.
And so there's a website called quickbitcoin.co.uk. Now, what that does, it gives you the choice, the option to interact peer-to-peer with people who are selling Bitcoin. And they do that in various ways. So basically, you do need there's the benefits of quickbitcoin.co.uk is that the verification process is very fast. It's within if you open your account and register within business hours until 6 p.m, you'll get your account open, literally the same day. They do call you for verification, and if it's over the weekend or in the evening, then it will be the next day that they will confirm that verification process. And so once you've verified, you just log into your account.
Yeah.
Once you've logged into your account,
your normal Bitcoin account.
Your Bitcoin, quick
Bitcoin account.
Bitcoin account. Yeah. So once you've logged in, that gives you access to a better rate, or people that are selling Bitcoin at a better rate. And you just basically follow their instructions on how they would like to receive the funds. And they will send you the Bitcoin. The only downside with this process is the fee can be very high. So you might end up paying a little bit more than if you were to do it through the exchange.
Okay.
So there's what we also recommend everyone has is a decentralized wallet. So we need a decentralized wallet to store our Bitcoin or our cryptocurrency. Now, that's why we recommend Exodus. The Exodus wallet is compatible with desktops, mobiles, and is completely decentralized. So all of your assets are stored on your Exodus wallet, on your device, on your computer, or on your phone. And so let me send you the link for Exodus, because when we get to the Bull the Bear Capital program, then we will need to use our Exodus wallet as the receiving wallet, as the wallet that receives any of the profit that we make in the crypto space.
Okay.
So let's get that for you.
Gosh, how did you learn about all this? This is mad. This is so crazy. Oh my God, did you make a lot of mistakes?
Yes.
Oh
It's
my
trial and, you know,
gosh.
I mean, the
Hold
nature
on
of
a
this
second.
crypto space is, okay, no problem.
Hold on. My dog just wanted to go outside.
Oh,
Okay. Okay, so Exodus crypto wallet. So you sent me the link for that.
yeah, I've sent you the link in the chat, and I've just sent you the link on WhatsApp.
WhatsApp, yep, I can
Yeah.
just see it. Yeah.
Yeah. So we're going to need our Exodus wallet to receive deposits from on any of our businesses or profit making machines. So when you do download the wallet and go in, this is the desktop version, and you'll see at the top of the screen, sort of the second row from the top. This is represents your overall assets, and this symbol here, the second symbol, is your eWallet, is your wallet, and so that's how you will access your crypto assets that sit there. So that's where we go. And so when you get there, you'll see all of the different cryptocurrencies listed. So you would just need to select Bitcoin. And when you select Bitcoin, you'll see the Bitcoin wallet, and you'll see these three buttons underneath the balance: send, receive, and the two arrows. These two arrows, it means to transfer or exchange. And so if you wanted to exchange, Bitcoin for another cryptocurrency, then you would just tap on this, and it would bring up the transfer screen where you'll be able to select the next cryptocurrency that you're going to exchange Bitcoin for.
Right.
So,
okay.
yeah. So when you want to retrieve your Bitcoin address, when you tap on receive, it will take you here, and you'll see this long combination of letters and numbers. Now, this isn't your the Bitcoin address that you can use to share to people. This is the internal Bitcoin address that is the wallet, the Exodus wallet uses to communicate when you want to transfer, exchange crypto for a different crypto.
Got it.
Bitcoin for a different crypto.
Yeah.
Now, this symbol in the middle here is what we call a QR code.
Yeah.
And so sometimes it's easier for you to use two devices, your mobile phone and your PC, with the PC being the transaction computer, the transaction device, and the mobile phone being what you use to scan the QR code.
Okay, that's what I do when I want to do WhatsApp web.
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah.
Great. So the easiest way to get your Bitcoin address is to scan the QR code. Otherwise, you'd have to tap on this arrow, this little white arrow on the right. You tap on it, and it will reveal your actual Bitcoin address that you can share. And so all you need to do is tap on the copy button, it will copy your eWallet address and you can paste it, you know, anywhere. What I would advise, I use OneNote.
OneNote.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
But if you have like a notepad that you use to make notes, and you know, use one to start listing all your different Bitcoin or e-wallet addresses, because over time they start to accumulate, and every time you have to retrieve it, it might be easy for you to retrieve it from a list, or it might be easy for you to go into the app and retrieve it this way, you know. But I find it quite useful to have all my e-wallet addresses labeled and listed.
Yeah. So maybe keep it in something like an Excel spreadsheet.
Yeah, you can keep it in an Excel spreadsheet, or so that you can even track, you know, your the value of your asset in your e-wallet. Or, you know, you can choose whichever way is more comfortable for you to record your e-wallet addresses. And of course, with the Exodus, you will need to when you're installing your Exodus, it will ask you to back up your wallet. And so when you back up your wallet, it will give you a code, a key. And that key, you have to keep that key very safe, because if you change your device, or if you lose your phone, you know, and you need to reinstall, for whatever reason, you need to reinstall your Exodus wallet, you need to have that key that will enable you to just reinstall it using the key, and it will then, you know, reload your wallet. If not, it can be very cumbersome to get your wallet back online. So you need to keep that. That's really important.
I know I'm going to have to come back to you on a lot of this, so.
No, that's fine. That's fine.
Gosh.
This is just like a overview of the e-wallets that you're going to need. So in your own time, the one that you do need to do straight away is the Exodus. So we're going to use the Exodus more. You know, that's the one that we're going to use for program with the variable capital program. Then we're going to need the Exodus wallet as the deposit wallet for the money to be paid into. And so when you send Bitcoin from your Exodus, I think I'm going to step you quickly. You go back. Oops, sorry. You go back to, you know, your home screen, your wallet. You go back to your e-wallet, your Bitcoin wallet, and you tap on send, and then that will bring up this screen, and you just paste the Bitcoin address that you're sending Bitcoin to. You paste it in there, and you enter the amount of Bitcoin, or you can enter the amount in pounds. You know, in your the chosen currency, but usually you should enter it in Bitcoin, because people are expecting Bitcoin, and the price of Bitcoin fluctuates. So whenever you're purchasing something in the crypto space, they always ask you for a certain amount of Bitcoin, the exact amount. And so you might notice at the bottom here, it says Bitcoin network fee. Okay. So network fee, it fluctuates. And so for instance, at that time it was 0.0001 Bitcoin, which is about £2.47. So whatever you're sending, you would need to add
that on top.
Yes. And so
whoever is receiving the Bitcoin will get the correct amount.
That's right. That's right. So you just send, and then that will send it off. And so the exchange, you can exchange Bitcoin for hundreds of different cryptocurrencies. So, you know, you don't really have to worry about this section here unless you want to venture into exchanging some more cryptocurrencies. You know, until you get used to the market, it's not advisable,
Yeah.
because the crypto market is very volatile, and at the moment we've got a lot of fluctuation. So I think I'm hoping it's at the bottom right now. Let me check and see what's happening with the market. So yeah, it's still languishing at the bottom. So we'll just wait and see what happens. So we had a meteoric rise just this week, and it's happening. As it happens, we're now having a correction, and so now would be a good time to buy. In fact,
Is it say?
This is what.
So is it saying that the price of Bitcoin 14,000?
Yeah, 14,076. It's actually right now. It's about £16,000
For
for one Bitcoin. Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. So
For one.
yeah. I mean, this was a while ago. This image was taken a while ago, but Ethereum right now is about £500 or $500 even. XRP, yeah, it's about 65p now, or oh no, it's at this level right now actually. Yeah, so you know, they go up and down in value, and there's thousands of different cryptocurrencies, over 7,000 different cryptocurrencies. So yeah, so you have to be very sophisticated, savvy, if you like, you know, how you do that. Okay, so that's your Exodus wallet. So once you've done that, you can do that again, you know, in your own time. That's it's not going to be too urgent to get to do that. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so we're done.